Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, respected teachers, honorable parents, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to you all. Today is a day of celebration, a day of joy, and above all, a day of acknowledging the hard work and dedication of our bright students. Each award given today is not just a trophy or a certificate. It is a testament to your persistence, effort, and determination. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Dear students, remember that success is not just about winning prizes, but about the journey of continuous learning and self improvement. Every challenge you face today prepares you for a bright tomorrow. As Allama Iqbal beautifully said, fly high, for there are worlds beyond the stars. This journey of passion has many more trials. Your achievements today are just the beginning of a long journey. Never stop dreaming, never stop learning, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. Behind every success story, there are silent warriors, our teachers and parents. Their guidance, patience, and sacrifices are the real foundation of your achievements. Let us all take a moment to appreciate their efforts. Hard work never goes in vain. It may take time, but success is inevitable. Dear students, the future belongs to those who dare to dream and work tirelessly to turn those dreams into reality. Keep striving, keep believing, and keep moving forwards. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. May Allah bless you all with wisdom, strength, and endless success. Congratulations to all the winners and best wishes to those who will shine even brighter in the future. Thank you.